Hello everyone, this is John at Easy Clean Ultrasonic Technology. Today I'm going to introduce our Tabletop Ultrasonic Cleaner. This is digital theory. As you can see, there is time and temperature control. For the time, you can set it from 1 minute to 30 minutes. For the temperature, you can adjust from 20 degrees to 80 degrees. The digital display makes the time and temperature setting more accurate. These rubber feet are to lower down the noise and protect the machine. Then let's look at the back side. The vents are to cool the machine. This is a plug port. This is a double safety switch. It makes the machine very safe and secure. This is the industrial standard power cable, which is soft and heat resistant. This is the cleaning basket. The cleaning basket and the working tank is stainless steel 304, which is corrosion resistant. Also, the tank is one-time forming without welding, so it is waterproof and without potential linkage. We offer a great variety of tank sizes from 1 liter to 30 liters. You can choose whichever you need. This sample is in 1 liter, and this sample is in 30 liters. If the tank capacity is above 6 liters, it will be provided with a drainage valve like this sample. After the cleaning is completed and the machine is turned off, you can use a clean dry rag to clean the tank body after pouring out the cleaning agent. Easy Clean Ultrasonic makes cleaning easier. Follow us, get to know more about ultrasonic cleaning. Thank you.